Mantou, or Chinese steamed bun, is eaten as a staple food in the northern parts of China. It's airy, spongy, and soft. Who can resist a delicious homemade mantou? Add the all-purpose flour, sugar, instant yeast, and baking powder, oil, whole milk. And then use your hands to massage the dough until the mixing bowl is clean. Move the dough to a flat working surface. And continue to knead the dough for about 10 minutes. Cover up the dough and let it rest for 3 minutes in the summer and about 5 minutes in the winter. From the middle to the top, then from the middle to the bottom. Repeat until it becomes a rectangular shape. Fold the dough into a letter shape. And then we're going to roll it into a rectangular shape again. And again, we're going to repeat this step. This time we're going to roll it out into a large rectangular shape. And there are no more air bubbles. Brush a thin layer of water on the dough. And slowly roll it up. Make it into a cylinder shape. Flatten the end. Roll like this until it becomes similar in size everywhere. And cut it into 6 pieces. And we're going to put them on parchment paper. So now we're going to transfer them in a steamer. And cover the lid until they double in size. Now we're going to bring water to a boil and steam on high heat for about 15 minutes. We can turn off the heat. And now we're going to uncover a small gap and let the hot air out for about 5 minutes. So if you open up the cover immediately, the mantou might deflate.